Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. And this video we are going to see how to change engine oil in our Hyosung Aquila 250 or GV250 you could say. So this one actually was sold in India as Aquila 250 and globally as GV250. It's a V twin engine. Also it shares the same engine with the GT250. So considering this as a V-twin, this one has a single silencer setup. And talking about the price, this one was launched in 2014 with the price ranging of 2.8 lakhs ex-showroom India. So let me accelerate and show you how the exhaust sounds. It's a decent note, which is not too loud and too soft. Okay. And the engine oil for this bike is 10W40. Okay, so I think it's been a long time since the engine oil has been changed in this vehicle. So to drain the engine oil, on the bottom of the engine on the left side you could see a drain bolt will be there. So there has been some oil leak in this vehicle, so I don't know how. Okay, so when I'm fixing it, I'll be using some gasket paste so that the oil doesn't get leaks. So now let's remove this drain bolt. So here I'm going to use a 17mm box spanner. So I would suggest you guys to use a box or a ring spanner so that it won't get any slips. So once after draining the oil, now let's remove the oil filter. So here we are going to use a 8mm spanner. So here you could use a small pincher so that this oil filter comes out easily. This is how it looks. So on the center the oil comes out, and on the right side the oil flows to the head. So before fixing the oil filter, we need to clean this part completely. And as I said, the oil just flows into this and it comes out, filters out, and goes to the engine cylinder head. So this is how the condition of the oil filter looks. I think it has been a long while, okay, since the oil has been changed. There will be a spring so that it presses and holds the oil filter, and also a rubber gasket. So here I have just painted up the complete casing as it was a bit old. Okay, so I just painted it up. So now let's clean and fix the oil filter. Those who are trying to buy or source this oil filter, which is costly, okay, so what alternative I had done is I bought this oil filter which is for Suzuki Jigsaw SF. Okay, this is same fit, you don't need to change anything. Okay, this one actually just cost around 40 rupees. So compared to the local shop which I asked for, this Hyosung was around 250. You could buy 4 to 5 oil filters, both are of the same quality. Okay, just a easy fix for you guys, so you don't need to waste any extra money on the original parts. So once you fix the oil filter, tighten the drain bolt. Okay, then we'll just pour in the new engine oil. So as I previously said, this one is 10W40. So we are gonna use around 1.5 liters of engine oil. So what I have done here is I have bought 2 liters. So as I didn't get 1.5 liters of engine oil, so I got two 1 liter bottles from a local shop. So I guess this one will do the job as of now. So once you fill the oil, just tighten up the oil filler cap and make sure that the oil level which you see in this glass is at its marked level. So as you can see, this is the marked level. So the oil is perfect. Some might ask why 1.5 liters of oil for this 250cc engine is because the oil is transferred from the bottom to the cylinder head through these external pipes compared to other bikes have internal transfer where it consumes less. Also this one is having an oil cooled radiator, so that's the reason why this vehicle is consuming 1.5 liters. So thank you for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe.